Hi everyone. This is my presentation on sea level rise in Brazil. Now, the world is becoming hotter and hotter each year, as we know, which means that polar sheets and glaciers are melting, and it's causing the sea level to rise. This puts millions of homes and lives at risk. And when Brazil gets a large amount of water, whether it's a rainstorm, a tornado, a hurricane, whatever it may be, the water is nowhere to go. There's no real runoff areas. Brazil is a very low-lying area. And the sea level rise is being caused by increase of temperature. And the temperature is increasing due to global warming emissions, which the best way I can explain it is the sun is putting heat into it's allowing the earth to get hot, but due to greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, it's not allowing the heat to escape. So heat's coming in, but it's not going out as fast as it's being put in. And the diagram to the right is showing over a 20-year span since the early 1990s. This diagram shows the increase of sea level rise. Now, this situation is very dangerous. It's putting tremendous stress on coastlines and aquatic ecosystems. The sea level is rising, which is increasing the chances of contamination and intrusion on freshwater aquifers. And these aquifers supply fresh water to springs, wetlands, basically any ecosystem that is in the ocean. And the diagram to the right is showing the deterioration of a coastline in Brazil over a period of time. Now, scientists have done mass amounts of research on sea level rise all over the world, and especially in Brazil. Scientists estimate that the sea level will rise as little as 2.6 feet, but as much as 6.6 feet in the year of 2100. The annual rise right now is 3 millimeters, and since the late 1800s, the sea level has risen over 200 millimeters. Scientists also project by 2080, temperatures in Brazil will have increased a little over 3 degrees, which will increase the speed of the sea level rise. And the picture to the right is a projection showing the potential flood areas in 2100 in Brazil. Now, how do we fix the problem? It starts with reducing your footprint. Greenhouse gases are the biggest contributing factor to sea level rise and the melting of the glaciers and polar ice sheets. There's other ways to help, though. I mean, everybody can contribute. Every little contributing factor, however you may help, it really does make a difference. Like protecting your wetlands, reducing your energy use, cutting down on any vehicle or anything that might be putting gas emissions out into the world. And another big thing is obeying your water laws. You know, you might not think it's a big deal, but it is. They're there for a reason. There's many different factors that play into this that people can't even imagine, but every little bit helps. Thank you for your time.